Alright guys, time has come. I finally received my Trick or Treat Studios Michael Myers mask from the new 2018 film. A little insight on the mask. I bought it in early October and just received it a couple days ago, and I had to go out and get it. So basically what this mask is an exact, it comes from the master mold from the movie. So it looks just like the mask. The only thing different is sometimes it's the paintwork. So we're going to open it up and see what the paintwork looks like on this one. They supposedly make these masks out for a certain batch of people when they order them and all that stuff. So we're going to open it up and see exactly what my paint job looks like on this. If I have to overhaul it, then I will. But if not, then, you know, I'm not worried about it. But as you can tell, they didn't package it very well. And that right there is an immediate sign of, it's kind of careless. So, I'm going to open that up. Cool. Alright. Actually, not that bad. Obviously. Yeah, it looks too bad. I mean, you can almost just see some paint strokes in here. Like I see some paint, kind of as if, they brushed it and all that stuff. But they got the hang tag with the poster, the image, and they got their own little thing going on here, which tells you basically, there's a warning that says, wear the mask while operating a vehicle, and some other stuff. No smoking while you wearing it. Flammable kind of things. Not recommended for children. Designed in the USA. They keep care instructions on how to take care of it. They have their logo on the back. Trick or Treat Studios. The hair feels really good though. In the movie, they had 50% camel and 50% mohair. So like, it's not the same as they make them now. This is all camel hair. So if I was to style it as I seen in the film, then it would look a lot better. But this is the first Michael Myers mask I've ever owned. And I'm actually pretty pleased with it. I don't know how it shows up on the camera. But, yeah, if I get into detailing this hair a little bit more, I don't think I'll have to overhaul this paint job. And then they have the hole in the neck from the 1978 film where Laurie stabs him in the neck with the sewing needle. The eye holes aren't level like in the first movie and everything like that. It seems like a small mask, to be honest with you. It being from the master mold. It's kind of hard to say how big James Duke Courtney's head really was for the film. You got their tag in there too. 318 or max only, stuff like that. So, I can take off my glasses. I'll show you how it fits and stuff, which is probably going to be it feels big on the neck, but it fits really well on the nose. It feels pretty good. But of course, in the movies with darken the actors on the eyes and stuff like that, the clothes would be probably a lot different. And stuff like that. The neck, it's just the neck. The neck feels really wide. But my chin fits really good, but the nose is really good. It's just hard to really tell what it looks like from viewers' point of view. But, it's not bad though. A lot of people, they complain about the mask being too yellow or stuff like that. The only problem I'm really seeing is the strokes that I see, the obvious brush. See obvious brush strokes, but I just don't know how the one in the movie looks in real life, the actual hero mask. So it's really hard to tell in person what's obviously bad and what's not. But this is it. This is my 2018 Halloween Michael Myers mask from Trick or Treat Studios. I think it looks fine. I don't think it looks too bad. Thanks for watching. And another additive to the Michael Myers mask unveiling. I didn't notice they sent me an air freshener and a 10% off coupon. So thank you, Trick or Treat Studios. I'm sorry I didn't include that in the first round, but I just excited about getting the mask out. So peace out.